Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Sol on Pump Fun. First, go to the pump.fun website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, click on your username from the top right corner of the page. Here, click on View Wallet. This will take you to your wallet page, where you can see your balance and wallet details. On this page, copy your wallet address carefully. This is the address where you will receive your Sol. Next, click on Transfer from Wallet. Here, you will see your deposit address again. You can copy this address and use it to deposit Sol from your personal wallet. Once you send Sol to this address, it will be added to your pump.fun account, and you can use it to trade or perform other actions on the platform. Remember to always double-check the address before sending, as sending Sol to the wrong address cannot be recovered. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.